Firstly and most importantly is to install the requirements. Python 3.7 is an easy install. Add it to the system path. Microsoft C++ framework caused problems to install. Restart your COM with no programs running and it'll finally install. Install all the versions. Open GitHub page and download real-time voice cloning zip by Quarantine from the link below. Download the zip, save it to your downloads folder and extract it there. Download ffmpeg unzip and run the 3exe in full build 125 MB. ffmpeg is here. Copy ffmpeg and paste it in real-time voice cloning folder. Download and unzip the pre-trained models from the link below. Use Google Drive or Dropbox. Go into the pre-trained models and copy the 3 files. Copy the 3 files. Go to real-time voice cloning and paste the 3 pre-trained model files. Open Windows CMD as administrator. Create environment. Name yours accordingly. Activate environment. Type all below to upgrade pip. Update setup tools needed. Intel TensorFlow for Intel CPU only. Copy link. Install PyTorch for Python. Use pip. Install correct version. Paste link and install PyTorch in your environment. Edit requirements.txt. Next is install requirements. Type below. Type demo toolbox.py and hit return.